How to add LinkedIn leads to Zenler funnel automatically. So Zenler is an amazing course creation platform, and assume that you are running ads on LinkedIn for your course, for which you have also created a LinkedIn lead generation form. Now whenever a new lead will capture via that form, I will show you how to add that lead to the Zenler funnel automatically. Yes, it is possible. Want to learn how you can also do that? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my LinkedIn account, and this is the testing advertisement I have created for selling my online marketing course, and this is my LinkedIn lead generation form. Now in front of you I will generate a test lead, and then I will show you how to add that lead to Zenler marketing funnel. But to automate this whole process, firstly I will have to build an integration, build a connection in this LinkedIn lead generation form and in this Zenler application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add LinkedIn leads to Zenler funnel automatically. Now I will select the folder in which I want to create my automation workflow. Okay, so I'm selecting this main workflows folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever a new lead is arrived via LinkedIn lead generation forms, then automatically add that lead to Zenler application. Okay, so that is why I will be selecting the same application here in my action application. Okay, and in this way you can add as many as action step as you want and automate your lead generation task, automate your lead management task. Okay, so moving up, and here I am going to connect these 2 applications one by one with Pabbly Connect. So let us first connect a LinkedIn lead generation form with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new lead generation form response. You can also read the instructions. Triggers when you receive a new form response. So yes, I want to perform the same, so I have selected the same. Now clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and if you are connecting your LinkedIn account with Pabbly Connect for the first time, directly click on this button and then provide the access of your LinkedIn account. Okay, but because I have connected LinkedIn with the Pabbly Connect so many times, okay, so how about I reuse that existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my LinkedIn account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And if you want, you can also go with the existing connection, but just to make sure that you provide the access in the first time. Okay, so here you can notice it is connected, and because it is connected, whatever the accounts are available inside my LinkedIn account have started visible here. So I'll go with this Naveen Kole account. Alright, so I have selected the same, and here again you can notice whatever the lead generation forms are available inside my LinkedIn account have started visible here. Let me show you all these forms here, and I will be selecting this sample lead generation form. Now why I am selecting specifically this form only? Okay, so this is my advertisement and this is my LinkedIn lead generation form, and this is the name of the form, basically this sample lead generation form. Okay, let me even show you the same. This is the advertise section where you will find the campaign group with the name Pabbly Connect, and then you will find the campaign name with this lead generation, and here you will find 2 advertisement are created. Okay, this is my advertisement and this is actually into the draft mode. Okay, so I will edit this ad in front of you, and then I will show you that the sample lead generation form is actually associated with this particular ad. Okay, so this is my ad, scrolling down, and now I will directly open this form details section, and here you can find the same form, that is sample lead generation form. Alright, so I have selected the same already here inside the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now I will click on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that a blank response will be received because currently there is no lead generated yet. Okay, so how about I submit this form? Okay, so the email address is already provided. Now I will add a dummy phone number, something like 966666666, and here in the first name, last name and company name, it has already picked the values from my LinkedIn account only. Basically these are the default values, and again these are the testing details only because I'm not running any live ad, so that is why it is picking up the value from my LinkedIn account only. Okay, let me even show you the same. Firstly, I will visit my profile section, and then I am going to edit my profile in front of you, and you will notice the first name as well as the last name as the same thing, and the same default values is actually showing here, which are not actually editable. Let me show you the same. Okay, so as I am not running any live advertisements, so I will proceed with this dummy data only. Okay, so I have submitted my LinkedIn lead generation form. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will notice this time a response will be received, and now I will show you the details one by one. Okay, so here you can find the name of the very same form. Here you will also find the email address, that is demo@pabblytools.com. here we have the same dummy phone number and other details as well, like the first name as Pabbly, last name as subscription billing management service, and lastly we have the company name as Magnet Brains. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and in this LinkedIn lead generation form is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time a new lead generation form response is received, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes because this trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes. Okay, so just in case if your automation is not working in real time, don't worry about that. You just need to wait for that patiently at least for 10 minutes. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I will show you how to add the very same lead to the Zenler funnel. Okay, so the application is already selected here. Now I will select the action event, that is funnel. Okay, searching for the same, and here we have the same action event, that is subscribe to funnel. Okay, now clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for this connection it is asking for the API key and the school account. Okay, I am already logged in my Zenler account. Firstly I will click on this profile section, then clicking on this my account. Well, I'm really sorry, not on my account. You will have to click on this settings option and then scroll down, and you will find this API key option at last, and here from here you can actually get this API key. Okay, so let me copy the same. Coming back to the dashboard, let me paste the same. Further, it is also asking for the school or the account name, which you can actually get from the URL. So this is my URL. Let me copy the school name, the account name, let me even paste the same, clicking on save, and in this way my Zenler account will be also connected with Pabbly Connect. And because we are connected here, you can notice whatever the funnels are available already inside my Zenler account have started visible here as the drop down. Okay, let me even show you the same. This is marketing funnel section where you will find all three funnels, that is contact form, connect funnel and this test funnel. Okay, so I'm interested in adding all the leads in this connect funnel. Well, currently 22 leads are already available. Now coming back to the dashboard, firstly I'm going to select the same funnel name, and now it is asking for the first name, last name and email of the person. Okay, so remember I have already captured the lead data as a response of my first step, as a response of the trigger step. So I am going to add the same details below, and the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy these details and paste below again and again. Okay, I am going to map these details, which will replace these values automatically as soon as a new lead will arrive. Okay, so how mapping can be performed? Simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me first first search for the first name, which is Pabbly. Here you can notice this Pabbly. Okay, I have added the same, and again telling you whatever the details I will map here from the drop down, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. Okay, and just in case, in place of mapping, if I will provide any value manually here, that value will remain same for every new lead. So basically what will happen, whenever a new lead will be generated via LinkedIn forms, the first name and last name data will be replaced automatically because of mapping, but this data will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and via manually. Lastly, I am adding this email address. Let me once again take you to the dashboard of Zenler, where you can find 22 leads. Coming back, clicking on this button, and firstly waiting for the response to receive. If that response is positive, that means the same person has been added to my marketing funnel. Okay, let me first refresh it and check for the same data, and now you can clearly see that we have 23 leads. Okay, so how about I firstly edit this funnel, and then I will be directly taking you to the lead section only, so that I can show you the same lead information which was demo at pabblytudes.com. Alright, it has not added yet. Let me refresh it once again. So here you can find the same person with the same first name and same last name and the same email address. Okay, so that means our automation is working absolutely fine in between LinkedIn lead generation form and Zenler, and this is possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. Yes, you just need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and now onwards, what will happen, every time a new lead generation form response is received, the same person, the same response will be added to my marketing funnel of Zenler. Okay, and if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into my description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same two-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.